Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about is not understanding your product the reason you're losing on Amazon. Let's get into it. If you're struggling to grow your Amazon sales, one of the biggest reasons could be this. You don't fully understand your product. This isn't just about knowing the technical details. It's about having a deep connection to your product, understanding why it exists, who it helps, and what makes it different from everything else on the market. When you don't have that connection, your marketing efforts feel generic. Your product listings don't stand out because they're not crafted with insight. Your advertising campaigns miss the mark because you're targeting the wrong audience. And that leads to frustration, not just from poor sales, but from feeling like you're always one step behind your competitors. Imagine trying to sell a specialized product like a chess set without knowing anything about chess. You wouldn't understand why certain features matter, like triple weighted pieces or algebraic notation boards. But if you were a chess player, you'd know exactly what your customers are looking for because you are the customer. That kind of knowledge is what sets successful Amazon sellers apart. When you lack this understanding, you're more vulnerable to Amazon's high fees, tough competition, and shifting marketplace trends. You'll find yourself constantly adjusting your strategy without seeing meaningful results because the foundation of your business, your connection to the product, is weak. But here's the good news. Amazon is still the best platform to grow a brand quickly. You can launch a product and see impressive results in a short time if you have the right approach. The key is to start by understanding your product inside and out. Learn everything about it. Talk to your target audience. Figure out what makes them choose your product over others. When you know your product deeply, your marketing becomes more effective. Your listings will resonate with customers because they're authentic. Your ads will perform better because you're targeting the right people with the right message. And most importantly, you'll build a brand that stands the test of time. So if you're wondering why your Amazon business isn't growing as fast as you'd like, take a step back and ask yourself, do I really understand my product? If the answer is no, that's where you need to start. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.